guys, good morning, good afternoon, good day, whatever time you watch my videos. How are you doing? It's a blessed day to be alive. It's a wonderful day to be alive. All right? And we are giving God thanks this morning, today, whatever time of the day, for his blessings towards us. And we must give him thanks. We must praise him and love him and trust him. All right? As you can see, I still have on my apron and I have on my hat, okay? All right. Welcome, my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for making a comment. Thank you very much. I love you all. Tell a friend to tell another friend, all right, that I am cooking, all right? So this morning or today or whatever time, I'm cooking some saltfish and cornmeal dumpling with flour in it, and also some banana. So I'm going to show you now. All right, just watch as I go. I have this is my pot here. I put on my water for my saltfish. So what I do, I put my saltfish to soak from overnight. All right, so I'm going to wash it again and then just put it in my pot. All right, so as you can see, my pot is boiling, and to get less salt from your saltfish, you put it to soak like overnight. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the coconut milk to make my dumpling, my cornmeal dumpling with flour. All right, and also I'm cooking some bananas. So it's cornmeal dumpling with coconut milk. All right, and this is my seasoning, my tomato, scallion, and onion. Onion is very big. All right, and sweet pepper. All right, so my pot is boiling up, so I have some hot water here on the side, so I'm going to use it to dissolve the coconut milk to make my dumpling. So watch as I go. So this is my coconut milk. I have the other coconut, but this is easier, so I'm going to use this one. So just a little, not much, as a small amount, okay? Alright. So just a little, not much. I'm going to use it to knead the dumpling. Have you ever tried it before? So I have some water here. I'm going to put a little cool water in it. It's too hot. See, I'm just going to put a little, whatever water you want to use, hot or cold, it doesn't matter as long as it dissolves it. And if you want to put more coconut powder in it, depends on the amount of dumpling that you make it. So I don't have a lot, so I'm just going to use a little. All right, so watch as I go. I'm going to put a little bit more in it. So it's dumpling and banana and saltfish and tomato. So you can see, okay, and this is my milk. All right, I'm going to wash my hands. My sink is on the other side. All right, so I'm going to put my salt in, you can see. All right, this is my salt. This is my coconut milk. like this. This is how I do it. And my saltfish is over there boiling. Let's see. And if you need more water in it, you can just tip a little bit of this water. Alright. So watch as I go. Coconut milk in my dumpling. Alright. And saltfish and tomato. Have you ever tried that before? Tell me what you tried with your saltfish. And where are you watching from today? Just let me know where you're watching from. Make a comment. Tell me how you make your saltfish and tomato. Have you ever tried the coconut milk in a dumpling before? Just make a comment and let me know. Alright? So this is it. And you don't have to put cornmeal in it. You can just put flour. And you can try it with other stuff too. You can see. And this that left over, I'm going to put it on the saltfish. Alright? Alright, so you can see. Alright. This is my pot for my dumpling and bananas. Alright, my subscribers and viewers. And you can, if you don't want to cook your saltfish by itself, you can cook your saltfish with your banana and your dumpling. But to prevent so much salt, what I did, I put it to soak and I put it in another pot. But what I do, I take out some of the salt water and put it in this pot. Alright? So I don't need to put any salt in my pot. Alright? So watch as I go. I'm going to make my dumpling first. This is how I make my dumpling. You can see, this is my dumpling. So when the water is boiling up, I'm going to put it in. Alright? So you put your dumpling whatever time you want to put your dumpling. You put in your food whatever time is best. But the softer food, like a soft yam or soft bananas, you put them on top of the pot, alright? When it is boiling. Put your harder foods at the bottom, alright? And this will take like 20 minutes or so to cook. My subscribers and my viewers, thank you for watching. Tell me where you're viewing from. Tell me where you are watching from. And what are you doing now? Are you at work? Are you at home relaxing? You have been to work already? What time are you coming from work today? Alright? And God has been good. I remember to put God in the front of the bottle. Alright? No matter what, put God in front of everything we do. I have my plate here. Let's see my dumplings. This is my dumpling. You can make it pretty dumpling. Okay. This is too big. Do you like your dumpling big? Or do you like it small? Let me know. Make a comment. Let me know. Remember, put your pot angle inside. Don't put your pot angle at the front, because your kids or anybody can come in the kitchen and they will bounce the pot over. And there the problem begins. So always put your pot angle here. Don't put it at the front, alright? And this is my water. You can see my water boiling there. I'm going to put my dumplings in, not much, and it is coconut milk dumpling. All right, and next time I'm going to show you, I'm going to use the coconut milk to cook the dumpling. See? You can try it at home. Coconut dumpling. Just use your milk to make the dumpling. Alright. Alright. So I'm going to put my bananas in. So my saltfish is boiling over there, so I'm going to put my bananas in. After you peel your banana, you don't have to wash it unless it's dirty. You just put it straight in the pot like this. Okay, see? It's my banana. The banana skin are so thin, you have to cut again because it breaks in the middle. But it doesn't matter. If you want to peel it all over, no problem. But the skins are very thin. See? See my banana. So I put some of the salt water in it so they won't get black. Okay, it's very thin. You have to just peel it like this. And it doesn't matter as long as it peels. It doesn't matter how you peel your banana as long as it is peeled. Alright? See? You see? And remember, you cannot put banana in cold water. You have to put it in boiling water. You have to put your banana in boiling water. Let me close the pot until I am ready for these. Stay there boiling. See me peeling my banana. See, banana is very soft. You see it's breaking away. You can see. That's why the skin is so thin. You see? And that's it. So that's it, my subscribers. You can see. Alright. So it's boiling up now. So I don't need to put any salt because I use the water from the saltfish. So watch as I go. So my saltfish is cooked. So I'm going to put it here. Turn off the fire. I'm going to put some cold water in it. You can see this was my leftover milk, coconut milk. So I'm going to put it there, let it stay there, boil, and then I put my saltfish and seasoning. Alright, and then I put a little oil on it. So I'm going to let this stay and boil. Alright. Alright, you can see that's my leftover coconut milk. Put a little water, a little bit more water in it. So I'm going to prepare my saltfish and my seasoning. So my saltfish is here. Look how I'm going to prepare it now. Look at it. Alright, you can see. Okay. Don't put your plastic too near to your stove. It will burn. Alright. So watch as I go. My saltfish, and you can taste your saltfish to see if it's still salty or it's okay. All right, and if it's still salt, you can put it to boil again, or you can put some water on it and let it soak like for maybe 5 minutes or so. And my subscribers and my viewers, please take out your bones. It can be dangerous. Try to take out all of your bones. You make it to this size that you want. If you want your saltfish to be very big, you can. If you want it to be small pieces, you can. But I like mine to be soaked. Get out all the salt, all the bones. So just watch as I go, guys. Watch as I go. You can see? No bone. You see? Don't waste your saltfish. Take out all of your saltfish. Don't leave any in it. You can see. This is my saltfish. Alright. You can see my bananas and my dumplings are cooking here. Alright. It's getting there. So watch as I go. Guys, my saltfish was a little bit salt. So what I do, I put it back in some water, some fresh water. I don't need to boil again. I'm going to let it sit there like for 5 minutes, and then I put it in my my pot. Alright, so if it's a bit salt after you cook it, you can just put some fresh water on it. Alright, watch as I go. You cut your tomato in whatever size or form you want it, right? You can cut them big, you can cut them small. Alright? So I have my oil over there waiting. My sweet pepper, this is my scallion. Just do it like this. Onion is very big. This is my pepper. You can see, put it like this. See, as you can see, this is the rest of the coconut juice. I throw it in on the oil. All right, so I'm going to put my seasoning in. All right, you can see, guys, you can see. All right, just a little leftover coconut milk, so I just pour it in. You can see? And I'm going to put a little Maggi seasoning, all purpose. Also a little ginger. Also my cayenne pepper. Alright, so you can put whatever seasoning you want to put on it. Any seasoning you can put on it. So I put a little oil on the coconut milk. So as you can see, alright. This is my saltfish. All ready. And if you want to put any veggie on this one, you can. You can cut a cabbage or anything, lettuce, anything, and put it on this one. I'm going to put a little bit more water on it. Let's see. Watch as I go. And if you want to put a little ketchup on it, that's fine. I have a little ketchup, I'm going to put a little on it. If not, that's okay. If you don't want to put ketchup on it, that's quite in order. Right? I didn't plan to put the coconut milk on it, but because I have the leftover, I said I'm not going to let it spoil. Alright. So this is my saltfish and tomato with a little chips of coconut milk. Alright. And if you want to make it spicy, that's quite okay. Alright. So it is coconut dumpling with saltfish and tomato. So my subscribers and my viewers, this is my finished product. This is my saltfish and tomato, but because I have some coconut milk left over, I just pour it on it. All right. So this is just, you can try it in whatever way you want, no problem. You put whatever you want to put in it. This is the way I look after it. All right. So anything you want to put in it, you put it in. You can put veggies on it, cut it up, cook it up, no problem. All right. So I'm going to show you my dumpling and banana. All right. So over here now, I have my banana and my coconut dumpling. So I may use the juice to make the dumpling. All right. So thanks for watching. Thanks for viewing. Thank you for making a comment to my video and continue to make comments. Thank you for viewing. Tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so you can try this at home and let me know how it tastes. Alright, just simple cooking, no hard cooking, just simple cooking today. Alright, so you take care of yourself. Remember that I love you. I love you. And remember to put God in your driving seat, walking seat. Put God in front of all our battles and He will take care. See you in my next video. You can try this at home and let me know. Make a comment on my video. Thank you very much.